Progress each day adds up to big results. That's why, my friend, my name is Amber Swanson, and I'm going to share with you 6 tips on how to maximize your time while speed cleaning. This is very important, so grab a pen and a piece of paper so we can dive right in. So tip number 1 is whatever chemical or compound you're going to be using to clean, you're going to want to let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. This is going to help loosen up the gunk. So what you're going to do is utilize tip number 2, and that is using the S-shaped pattern. Now with this S-shaped pattern is it's going to allow you to prevent going back over the areas that you just cleaned. After you let that product sit for 3 to 5 minutes and using the S-shaped pattern, it'll come up just like that. Now, depending on the type of gunk you're cleaning up, if it has been sitting there for a while, you're going to want to reapply these tips a few times to get that gunk up. Tip number 3, use ventilation. It is your best friend. So if you have just gotten out the shower, go ahead and turn that fan on. Air out anything that has been wet so you can prevent odor and mold. Those are not your best friend. Ventilation is my friend. Tip number 4 is if there's an area that has been soiled, such as pet mess, you spill Kool-Aid on the carpet, something like that, what's going to help you speed clean that area is to blot the area first and then add the product. Let it sit as the instructions tell you to do so. Then go back and clean. This is going to save you time, energy, and muscle power. And tip number 6, last but not least, you want to focus on the task at hand. Whatever task you are cleaning, utilize those 5 tips prior. That's going to help you speed up the cleaning process so you can maximize your time doing the things that really matter the most. Well, I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, but before you go, one question I have for you is, what are some cleaning hacks you use to help you speed up your cleaning? Go ahead and leave that in the description below. Let's go ahead and get this conversation started so you can help the next person who is looking for ways to speed up their cleaning that I may have not added in this video. So in the meantime, check out the next video. It's going to help you amp up your cleaning so you can maximize your time and start doing things that you enjoy. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.